Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly confirming which pages redirect and why. Check the URL list and note redirect type, 301 permanent or 302 temporary. Next, access the server or CMS where redirects live and make a backup of configuration files like htaccess or nginxconf. This protects you. Once backed up, open the redirect rules area and locate rules affecting those URLs. Make sure to work on a staging environment if available, because that prevents accidental production outages while you edit rules. Now you modify the rules, remove duplicates, correct pattern matches, or replace a 302 with a 301 when appropriate. Use precise matching, avoid broad rejects that captures unintended paths. Then validate changes with CurlEye and browser dev tools to inspect location headers and status codes. Once done, test linked navigation and canonical tags to ensure no redirect loops or chains. If you have a staging site, run a full crawl. This uncovers hidden redirects before you push to production. You deploy fixes during a low-traffic window, clear server and CDN caches, and then rerun a site crawl to confirm no chains or 4xx errors remain. Monitor logs and analytics for 3 to 7 days to catch residual problems like soft 404s or crawl issues. If something goes wrong, immediately revert to your backup, then isolate the offending rule and apply a targeted fix. One key troubleshooting tip: if redirects still loop, search for conflicting rules across all layers, server, CDN, and CMS, and disable them one at a time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.